task for let's start. I'm a student, Angela Lorena Paramuchpe. For a question, did you spend much money on your last trip? What is a fight among? My last trips, I fight that trip with my family. The approximate amount spent per person was 1,000 pesos Colombian currency. Did you go seeing dancing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place you visited? On Thursday with my family, with my tourists, we visited the sanctuary of the Lajas. It is Ipiales Nariño. We visited the city of Tumaco and we were walking along East Beach. We visited a town that was near the border with Colombia called Tulcan in Ecuador, with me Popayan and Pasto. What are the most visited places of tourist attraction in your city? I am from the department of Huila. In my beautiful department, we find many tourist cities such as the Tatacoa Desert, the Giants, and the Archaeological Park in San Agustin, the Strike of the Magdalene River, among others. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? The most incredible activity that I did on my trip was, in addition to sharing with my parents, visited the sanctuary of the Lajas and Grading to Tulcan in Ecuador. What are the best things that have happened to you on a trip? Mention two. The best things that happened to me on the trip with grading to come the seat of Tumaco Nariño with my parents and my brothers. Another of my best experience with travel with motorcycle from Bogota to Medellin, together with my husband, heading to come the Explorer Park and Guatapé, Hacienda Nápoles. Is culture, is people, some tourists. It was a great experience. Thank you.